Everything is looking incredibly bullish for AMC stock right now. I mean, I believe the only thing bearish surrounding AMC is the mass media going out there and saying that AMC is a risky investment. Maybe you should avoid buying AMC. Well, clearly we know the deal by now. Guys, they want to see AMC go down. We want to see AMC stock go up. And I believe we are right around the corner. Now, it doesn't stop there. Clearly, we can't go out and sell our shares of AMC. We absolutely need to hold. We need to stay strong. But let's discuss potentially just how close we are. Because, guys, we are seeing sign after sign after sign that says AMC is getting ready to launch, and we should not destroy this. We should not blow this opportunity. So let's talk all about it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. AMC, oh my goodness, is looking beautiful at this point. I know you guys all agree out there, and sure, some of us are still in the red, and some of us have been in the green for quite some time now. But look, we're approaching some very significant levels. Let's talk about all of the bullish activity we've got going on. Short interest. Now, some people, smart money, people out on Wall Street would say the higher the short interest, the worse off a stock is, because that means everybody's betting against it. Well, guess what? In our case, a higher short interest means that they have more shares to buy back, and if they have more shares to buy back, essentially the higher the price could go when they go to cover those shares. Short interest on AMC right now is estimated to be somewhere above 20%. This is the highest that it's been so far, and it is looking amazing with roughly 100 million short shares that they need to go out and cover. This is beautiful because, like I said, the more shares that they need to cover, the greater the buying power and the greater the buying demand when they go to cover, and therefore, theoretically, the higher the price should go. That's extremely bullish. The cost to borrow is rising. Now, what does that mean? That means that as the cost to borrow rises, the short positions and the hedge funds that have those short positions have to pay more money in order to keep those shorts alive. Now, think about it. When you own this stock, you don't have to pay anything to hold it. But when they short the stock, they have to pay in order to short the stock every single day. It's a daily fee. Sure, if the borrow rate's around 5%, that's an annual rate, but it's charged daily. So they can't just keep those short positions alive for free. They have to pay every single day, and that rate is currently increasing. Utilization is increasing. That means there are less shares available for them to borrow and continue to short. Now, I don't have a problem with them going out and digging that grave deeper and going out and shorting more and more of AMC. Sure, it might prolong the squeeze a little bit, but it just loads that spring tighter and tighter so that when they do go to cover, boom, stock price rips even higher, even faster, and even further. It's all good things in that aspect, as long as you can wait it out, as long as you can continue to hold the stock. And I believe that I'm preaching to the choir right now. Every single one of us are willing and ready and able to hold AMC to the absolute moon. So these are all good things. What have we not seen yet? We haven't seen a technical breakout beyond $55 to $60 and into new all-time highs. Once we get to that point, that's even more bullish, guys. There's nothing on the chart that will be stopping us. And once we get there, what do we have? FOMO buyers jumping back on. Once we're starting to hit all-time highs, there will be nobody in the red except for short positions. Every single person holding AMC stock will be in the green. Imagine the sentiment when that comes. When every single portfolio is in the green on AMC, imagine how bullish people are going to be. Imagine the FOMO that kicks in. If you guys have thought that there's been FOMO buyers in the past, sure, we did have some in January, we did have some in June, and we are going to have even more when we bust all-time highs again. And you can see it too. One of the great ways to find FOMO buyers and see if new eyes are getting drawn to a certain stock AMC in this example, you can go out to trends.google.com, type in AMC, type in AMC stock, do a quick search, and see when those search terms are trending and as they're rising. Guys, that's new eyes pouring in. At this point, you may be searching for different YouTubers. They may be on your page right now, but when more and more people go out and search what's happening with AMC, then they get on board with what's going on. It's only going to drive demand, and it's only going to drive the price even higher. So we have so many things to look forward to yet with the technical breakout, with FOMO buyers coming on. And then it comes down to one thing and one thing only. Are the shorts covering? And let me just take the next couple of minutes to prepare us for what could happen. We know the volatility is going to be immense. We know it's going to be very volatile, going up potentially hundreds or thousands of percents, falling hundreds of thousands of percents, and so on. It's not going to fall 1,000 or 100%, right? But it could fall back down drastically. It's not going to fall 100%. But it could be very volatile. Now, here's the thing we need to look out for. I know I said that we need to follow short interest very closely, but here's the deal. Hedge funds are smart, okay? And when we get this technical breakout, when they see FOMO buyers jumping on, there's a chance that they're willing to go out and cover their shares. Sure, they believe that AMC is worth $5, $6 a share right now, maybe even less. And they believe that it's going to return to that price at some day. And I also agree. Post-squeeze, when the short interest is gone, when everything is done with, it may return to its book value. We're not even close to there yet, so don't worry about this happening overnight or anything like that. We need to watch this thing short squeeze first. But I would agree with them in that aspect, that one day it will return to its book value, or potentially its book value will rise to the current price, right? One of those two things will happen. But look, if they go out and they take preventative measures, if we break new highs, if they see FOMO coming on, they may want to mitigate some of their risk, and therefore they go out and they may cover a significant portion of their shorts. Now, don't panic. This could be a decent time to take profit, absolutely. If people are selling and the shorts are covering, that's what we're preparing for. We're preparing for a short squeeze, and we're preparing to take profit during a short squeeze. But here's the deal. The hedge funds are going to know when the peak of the squeeze is. They're going to know when they cover their last short share and they're no longer out there. Whether retail and FOMO buyers continue to drive the price up from there or not, the hedge funds will know when they've covered enough shorts. And what do you think they're going to do when the price starts to stall out and there's no more retail traders buying it up, there's no more FOMO traders buying it up? They're going to short the stock again. Now, of course, if they lose 1,000% or 10,000% on AMC and they short it at the peak, best they can do is only make 100% if the stock went back down to a penny. So they're not going to make back all of the money they lost, but they can certainly do one thing, and that's create the exact same short interest that we have now. So please keep an eye on the short interest after you potentially sell as well. But we need to make sure, guys, if they do the same exact thing to AMC after it runs up again and they continue to have short positions on AMC, that we take them for every single penny that they're worth. What we got to do is buy and hold. We don't have to pay any borrow fee. We don't have to pay any interest on the stock that we hold. It is free to hold the stock. And if they're out there and continue to dig that hole deeper, thinking, oh, we're going to make some money on the way back down from the squeeze. Well, guess what, hedge funds? Sorry, but we're not going anywhere. And we are going to... I'm prepared. I'm prepared to play round 2 on AMC if that's what it comes to. But guys, I just want to make sure everybody's focus and everybody's attention stays on 2 things. Have the shorts covered, and have we made life-changing money yet? Because this is the mother of all short squeezes. This is why we are here, and this is a movement at this point. not just a typical investment. So let me know down in the comments below, guys, if you are absolutely prepared for AMC stock to squeeze, if everything looks bullish to you, and you guys are just as excited as I am. Now, if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Webull, if you guys are not into trading yet, if you're thinking about buying AMC stock, Webull is an excellent platform. $100 deposit. It's going to get you a couple free stocks. Sell them, keep them, whatever. They're yours. It is super simple to set up your account, and it's a great brokerage. If you haven't checked it out already, make sure to use the link down there and do that. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram if you want to follow me there. And of course, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.